Hello everyone, welcome to Whitestone Game, and this is my third tutorial. Well, on this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to watch movies online free at 2021. So let's start this video. Okay, so you wanna watch movies online free? All you need to do is check the description of this video. Click the link that I have gave you. So if you click the link that is given below, so you will come to this website, that is You Watch Free. So this is a website on which you can watch movies, TV series and lots of movies like Hollywood, Bollywood, South Indian movies online free without even register. You can watch movies online. You don't need to log in or you don't need to sign up anything here. So as you can see, this is a movie list. This is home. If you click on movies and if you click on this feature, so there are feature this new movies which just released, Bollywood and Hollywood, even TV series. You wanna click, you can watch TV series too. So these are the TV series. Personally, I don't watch movies. I hate to watch movies. I just play games, that's it. So you don't need to download any VPN or to download from Torrent any movies. This is so free. You just click youwatchfree.cz. There you go. You can watch any movies online. As you can see, these are Telugu movies. Even you can watch Tamil movies, Kannada movies, Malayali movie, anything you can watch. This is dubbed movies. Like, this is my personal favorite. I haven't watched, but I saw the trailer. Tom and Jerry 2021 Hindi dub. So this is one more. Gems. I don't know how to pronounce this. Gems, genres. I don't know. Maybe you can. So you can comment here. So let me show you an example. Like Salman Khan latest movie came out 2021. So this will check your browser accessing something online checking. So as you can see, you have to type exact. Alright, exact that movie name same. Alright, not if it is Radhe, so you should not type Radhe like this. Alright, it should be Radhe. So click which movie you want, select that, and this is a player. Alright, so this is a player. Alright, so nothing is free in this world. Alright, so you don't need to pay anything. There will be lots of ads. Alright, if I click this, as you can see, so at least you're getting to watch movie online free. So nothing is free here. Alright, so if you are this place in some laptop, low-end laptop, this player might be not working. Even on mobile phone you can watch this. So in some mobile phone or laptop, this mode will not work, this player will not work. So nothing you have to do. Oh god, you can download ad blocker for, come on, you can download ad. That's why don't watch movies from here. You can't pause, just scroll down and click the first one. Anyone you can click, just click the first one and close this. Alright, here also that same game, ad game. So all you need to do is just click 1 2 3 4 times and just keep on closing that pop-up window, that ad window. Click one final time and this poster will come. Alright, so I'm human, right? Please enter exactly the highlighted text in the game below. Right, finally you are here. Now you can watch movies, your desired movies free, and even you can pause here, but after 1 or 2 times ad will appear. So this movie, I don't think so this movie has caption, but Hollywood movie they do have a caption. So this is like YouTube only, picture in picture mode like YouTube. If you click on setting, come on. Alright, so this is a size. Alright, this is size. Alright, 16:9, 4:3, full size, cover size. In this movie, I don't know, they have, I think this movie is running in Blu-ray. So you have some movies, if you click on settings, you have 360p, 480p, 720p, 180p, and the last one is original one, that is Blu-ray. Alright, so that's it ladies and gentlemen. Make sure to hit that like button, right? If you will hit that like button, if you will hit that, this video will get more likes and YouTube will show this video to everyone, right? So please visit this website if you are a movie lover, TV series lover. So make sure to hit that like button, comment down below which next tutorial on which topic I should make next video, and don't forget to subscribe Whitestone Game. Make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, share this video and subscribe my channel Whitestone Game. That's it.